Hello, in this video I will show you how to replace the engine oil, oil filter and air filter on Volkswagen EOS 2 liters TDI PD. This car is equipped with the 2 liters TDI PD engine and engine code BMM. This is the engine. First we're going to loosen the oil filler cap. And next we're going to remove the oil filter, which is located right there. Before I start, first I will show you all the specifications you need to know about replacing the engine oil on this car. To remove the oil filter, I'm using a socket size 32 along with a long extension and a ratchet. Now that the oil filter cap is loosened, I'm going to lift up the oil filter cap and that's the oil filter out as well. Next I'm going to go underneath the car and drain the oil. There is an engine under tray that you need to remove. In my case it's already removed, and that's the oil drain plug that we need to remove to drain the oil. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now we're going to wait for all the oil to drain, and then we're going to put the drain plug back on and tighten it. Next we're going to replace the oil filter. To remove this oil filter you just need to pull it out. This is the new oil filter. This is the part number for it. And there is an oil filter in there and also an O-ring that we need to replace. I'm going to remove the O-ring from the oil filter cap and replace it with a new one. Now I'm going to put the oil filter onto the oil filter cap, push it in all the way until it clicks, and now I'm going to put it back on the engine. Now I'm going to tighten the oil filter cap, and next I'm going to fill the oil in. I'm going to remove the oil filler cap and I'm going to put a funnel in there and start putting the oil in. This is the oil that I'm using for this car. It's 5W30 Repsol. I'm going to put in the specified amount of oil and then I'm going to start the car just for a couple of seconds so that the oil filter gets filled with oil, and wait 5 minutes and then check the level of the oil on the dipstick. This is the dipstick right there. That's where you check the level of the oil. Depending on the level of the oil on the dipstick, you know if you need to add more or if it's okay. Next, we're going to replace the air filter. This is the air filter right there. It's held by 5 or 6 bolts. That's all the bolts removed. Now I'm going to lift up the air filter cover, and that's the air filter right there. Now I'm going to remove it and replace it with a new one. This is the new air filter, and that's the part number for it. Now I'm going to put on the new air filter, put on the air filter cover and tighten the bolts. And that's how you replace the engine oil, oil filter and air filter on this car. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.